Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we'll be going over Lesson 5, My Dream Trip, the writing portion. Let's quickly go over what we will be doing today in class. The first thing we will be doing is a vocabulary review on your worksheet. Second thing we'll be doing is we will be planning our writing. And the last thing we'll be doing today, number 3, is writing. So let's get into it. 1. Vocabulary review. For the vocabulary review, you're going to be using your worksheet. You have 2 parts of your vocabulary review. Part 1 is looking at the words in the boxes and finding the missing letter that is the same for all of the words in that box. Once you have figured out all the missing letters, you're going to unscramble them and it makes a word that you're going to write here. Part 2 of your vocabulary review is to fill in the blank. On numbers 1 through 4, you have the Korean words and you're going to translate it to English. So that is your vocabulary review on your worksheet. Go ahead and pause the video now to finish your worksheet. When you're done, go ahead and press play. So, go ahead, start your worksheet. Number 2, plan. If you would like to use your English book, I will be using page 95. Let's look at the plan section. First, we are going to plan on what to write. Based on your recent travel experience, complete the following travel schedule. If you look at the screen, the blue side is your experiences and the yellow is an example.
Visit Songdo Beach. Enjoy swimming. Visit Biff Street. Try different street foods.
If you noticed, each day you are visiting a different place. And you're going to be including one activity you did at that location, at that place. When you're writing your experience, make sure at the top it says in, and that's place, with, and then a person or family. And this is just another example for you. Number 3, write. Next, we'll be writing a postcard. Based on what you wrote above, write a postcard after finishing the first day of your trip. So let's go over the different blanks that you're going to fill in from the information above. Let's go over the blanks together. The first blank is the name of the person you're writing to. Next is the city or place you went to visit those 2 days. Third is the first place you visited. Next is the activity you did at the first day's place. Next, you have the second day place with the second day activity. The last one is your name. So let's go ahead and take a look at my example for this activity. Let's take a look at an example. For the plan portion of your assignment, based on your recent travel experience, complete the following travel schedule. The first blank is the place you are visiting. So I am picking Jeollabuk-do. Next is with, and then the people you went with. Friends, family, or a person. I picked friends. Next, you're going to add the first place you went to, the first city. I picked Jeonju. And an activity you did in that place. I put eat in the traditional village. You will also need a day 2. For my day 2 travel, I went to Sungchang. And list an activity that you did in that place. So I went hiking at Gangcheonsan. So remember, for each day, you need to have a place and an activity. When you finish writing your plan, you will go on to part 3, which is write. And it's based on what you wrote above. Write a postcard after finishing the first day of your trip. So let's take a look at where you're going to place things from your plan. For day 1, you are going to have 2 sentences. And for day 2, you will also have 2 sentences. For the second blank of your write, the hello, I'm in, that's the first blank you wrote in plan, the big place. In the writing section, it's dear blank. That's where you're going to put the person you are writing to. And the very last blank, you're going to write your name, your signature. So let's take a look at my example. For mine, I am putting mom and dad because I'm writing to my parents. Next, adding the overall place I am going to, which is Jeollabuk-do. Hello, I'm in Jeollabuk-do. Next is the place you went to on the first day, followed by the activity you did in that place. So I had Jeonju and eating in the traditional village. On the green lines is day 2. You're going to put the place first and then the activity. Remember to watch out for the tense. In the yellow lines, what you are doing is past tense. And the green line is future tense. And the last thing you will do is sign your name at the very end. When you're finished filling in the blanks, you're going to rewrite the postcard. And don't forget to finish your postcard with signing your name. Go ahead and take this time to finish your postcard. And that is it, everyone. Congratulations on finishing today's lesson. Yay, congratulations. Until next time, be healthy, wash your hands, and I'll see you next week. Bye.